Hello, this is Ashkan from No Up Army. In this video series, I want to introduce Unreal to Unity developers because we've switched ourselves for most of our projects and people ask us questions. We are developing projects both in Unity and Unreal, and we are making our plugins for both. So we have a good command of both engines in our studio, and we've used Unity since 2009 or so. Pretty experienced with that, 2-3 years using Unreal. This video is about basically how is the normal workflow of using Unreal. So you usually open your Visual Studio if you're programming and not you're just using blueprints, build the project, then run it. If you have a powerful system, it doesn't take much time. I have a Intel 14700K, CPU, 64 gigabytes of RAM, but most of it is not used at the moment, so it's not like it uses everything. Unreal opens, you goes to play mode and back pretty quickly. You can do things which you cannot do in Unity and vice versa. For example, you can eject the camera while the play mode and then go check something out if you want to, and then go back to play. Uh, it closes pretty quickly too. And when you build once, then you can just double click the project file, which Unity doesn't have to open the project. But if you just change some stuff which aren't like the most complex things, you do not have to rebuild the project, like close Unreal and rebuild the project. You can simply like compile while the project is open, even inside play mode. So for example, let's say I want to add something somewhere. This is our farming game, a real project. So let's say I don't want the animals to tick. Comment this. Go to Unreal. Compile from here by Control Alt F11. Done. I can play the project now. The sky here is from So Stylized, also the water. These are Unreal defaults, but you can have pretty cartoonish styles in Unreal if you want. The rest of our assets are Unreal art assets, so basically some of them are realistic because they don't have the pixel library which Unreal has, but you can have it pretty stylized, as you can see here in our water and sky. Yeah, so in the next videos, what I will do is that I will show you other features of Unreal and the differences between Unity and Unreal while developing our game. So we can have a good idea of how it works and what are the differences so we can have a choice.